This is a quick video to help you understand a bisected line segment. So if we have a problem here that says line segment RT is 40 centimeters long. S is the midpoint of RT. What is the length of ST? So here we have our line segment RT, and this is the midpoint, and we're trying to find the length of ST, line segment. The line on top of this just means line segment. So it's important to understand that the midpoint of a line segment divides it into two congruent line segments. And congruent means that they're equal. So RS line segment and ST are congruent. They're the same because this is the midpoint halfway between line segment RT, the long one. Okay, so RS and RT are congruent. They are half the length of RT because this point is exactly in the middle of RT. So to find the length of RT and ST, we take 40 and divide by 2. So 40 divided by 2 equals 20 centimeters. And that's the length of line segments RS and ST. And that's it. That's all there is to that video. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch it. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You could download it. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this very video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, you'll find links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar to this. If you need extra help, you could check those out. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.